Hi everyone. Linda and I are continuing our journey on our Brisbane to Sydney road trip, and we're now staying at Lane Cove Tourist Park. So come with me as I go and walk around the park and just show you just how beautiful this park is, and it's only like 15 kilometres from the centre of Sydney. It's hard to believe that this park is only about 15 kilometres from the heart of Sydney, and it's such a peaceful place to go and get away. It's surrounded by nature with beautiful gum trees, just so much bird life. It's hard to believe that Sydney CBD is only a short drive or a short train ride away. There are plenty of powered sites with beautiful modern cabins spread throughout the park. It's got such a beautiful pool area here. Linda's wanting to come and chill here. We're not going into the city today. There's just so much wildlife here in the park as well, especially when it comes to birds. You start feeding one bird, you soon find you've got a heap there with you. So this is one of a number of camp kitchens around the park. They've also got a nice little playground here for the kids. Little cubby house. And they've even got a small ropes course. They've got a number of amenities blocks, along with a number of laundries. I love the beautiful bush setting here, because after going and spending a day walking around in the city, it's nice coming back to a nice peaceful, serene place like this. Now I don't normally go and film dump points, but I thought this was a bit unusual. I haven't seen one of this design before. Anyone watching, if you've seen one like this, yeah, just drop us a note.